lost, damaged, or just want a fresh look? Let's replace your cash app debit card step by step. First, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. All you have to do is open your cash app. Now you will land on your home screen with the balance in the center. Now just look to the left of the dollar sign, click on the card icon, and then you will be on the card screen. Scroll down a little bit until you find the manage card. Under that, tap on get card support. Now click on report card issues, and here you will see options to report problems like stolen, missing, or damage. And let's say your card is damaged, tap on card damage, and now you've got two options: reorder your existing card, which is totally free, or you can design a new one that can cost you $5. Now, for now, tap on reorder existing and make sure your mailing address looks right. Everything if checked out, then all I have to do is tap next. Now here you can choose how you want to ship it. If it's standard, then it will arrive within 7 to 10 business days and it's totally free. But if you choose expedite, then it will arrive in 2 to 4 business days and it can cost you $15. Now select your options and then tap next and enter your cash app pin and then tap next, and boom, you are done. Just like that, your new card is on the way. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.